Want to adjust the opacity of a video in CapCut PC? It's a quick way to make your clips transparent, blend layers, or create smooth overlays. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open CapCut on your computer and import your video. Then, drag it onto the timeline. Now, click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. Once it's selected, go to the top right corner of CapCut and click on the Video tab. Then, click on Basic if it's not already open. Scroll down until you find the Blend section. Make sure the blend mode is set to default. Below that, you'll see the Opacity slider. Drag the slider left to decrease the opacity and make your video more transparent, or drag it right to make it more solid. You'll see the changes in real time on the preview window. That's it. You've successfully adjusted the opacity of your video in CapCut PC. Comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials.